Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to find the radius in the center of the circle given the general equation of that circle. So in this example, we are asked to find the radius in the center of the circle given the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 120 equals 0. So what we are going to do is to express this general equation into center radius form. So that would be x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 20. 120 equals 0. Kinopya ko lang, no? So, ang gagawin natin, i-group natin lahat ng x's and lahat ng y's. And then, itong constant term, ililipat natin sa right side ng equation. So, that will be x squared minus 4x. One group yan sila. And then, yung grupo ng y, we have y squared plus 2y. And then, itong 120 constant term, ilipat natin sa right side. So, minus 120. So, magiging plus 120. Or positive 120. And then, we complete the square. So, we call that completing the square. So, we complete the square para maging perfect square trinomial. Ito din, complete din natin ang square dito. So, we do that by completing the square. So, that would be x squared minus 4x plus etong numerical coefficient ng x, whatever is the number, so you take that and you always divide that by 2 and raise it to 2. Okay, so that would be for the x squared. So, complete na ang square niyan, PST na ito, perfect square trinomial. Plus, ito naman, y squared plus 2y plus, you take the numerical coefficient of y, that is 2, and you always divide that by 2 and always raise it to 2. Okay? So, that would be the PST for the y. Perfect square trinomial na ito for the y. Equals 120. And whatever you add here, ito sa x, whatever you add there, and whatever you add in the y, you must also add it sa right side ng equation. Ano bang in-add natin dito? So, this is 4 over 2, that is 2 squared, ano? So, that's 2 squared. So, 2 squared is actually 4. So, we add 4. Anong in-add natin dito sa y? So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So, 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 times 1 equals 1. So, we add 1. Okay? Para balance pa rin yung equation. And we express this by binomials. You know? We express this as binomials. Square of binomials. So, that would be x. And then since minus ito dito, that's minus. And then since this is 2 squared, that's 2. Okay? Raise it to 2. Plus, ito naman, we express this as binomials kasi perfect square trinomial, always y, square root ng y, and then yung sign ng middle term, plus, and then yung square root ng dito sa third term. So, that would be 1 squared, so 1. Okay, squared. Equals 120 plus 4, 124 plus 1, 125. Okay, so we now have the center radius form of the equation of the circle. So, remember that this is x minus h and y minus k. So, therefore, our center is at negative, since this is negative, the center is, the x here is 2. Okay, 2 yan, comma. And then our y, our k, y minus k yan. So, this is positive, meaning the k value is negative. So, negative 1. Okay, the center is at 2, negative 1. And what about the radius? The radius is simply the square root of 125. And so, that is, yung square root ng 125 is just the square root of 25 times 5. Okay, so square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 5 is just square root of 5. Okay, so the radius is 5 square root of 5. That's it.